Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 EVS Chapter 15 Blow Hot, Blow Cold. First, we'll see what is given in this chapter. You might remember countless experiences of people blowing on their hands on a chilly winter morning. This activity helps them to keep their hands warm. When given something hot to drink, you blow over it to make it mildly hot or cold. Does this mean you can blow hot and cold air from your mouth upon your wish? So, can you think whether you can blow hot or blow cold? Not exactly. The air from your mouth does not become cold or hot. This means it does not have a different temperature. In fact, the air from your mouth always has the same temperature, which cannot be changed according to your wish. Match the column. Column A, column B. Breathing rate increases with physical activity. Flute and bean are musical instruments in which we blow to produce sound. Our breath is cooler than hot tea. We breathe in air. So these are the answers for the match the column. Next, true or false? Seeing the tiny person, the woodcutter was amazed and amused. Yes, it is true. Woodcutter was blowing his hands to freeze them. False. Woodcutter blew on the fire to help it burn. Yes, it is true. Fourth question, woodcutter blew foo-foo to burn potatoes. No, it is false. Fifth question, a doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to your chest. For what? For listening your heartbeat. True. Filling the blanks with suitable words. First question, our heart beats dash after a run, faster after a run. Second question, when we blow air dash, our chest comes in, out. When we blow air out, our chest come in. Third question, cold air is dash and comes down, heavy. Fourth question, taking and releasing air in through nose is called as breathing. So taking in and out, that is called as air through mouth, is called as breathing. Answer these questions. How do you cool some food when it is too hot? So we can blow air with mouth, or you can pour in a broader vessel, or leave it under fan for some time. Second question, if you were to cool these three hot things like dal, roti, rice, in which ways would you do so? So you can pour it in a broader plate or bowl in case of dal. Roti, you can blowing the bites with mouth. Rice, you can spread it on plate. Next, Minnie tried to cool her tea by blowing on it. Which do you think will be hotter, Minnie's tea or the air she blew from her mouth? Minnie tried to cool her tea by blowing on it. Tea will be hotter than the air she blew from her mouth. Fourth question, Sonu was feeling very cold. He kept blowing on to his hands. Now think and write which will be cooler, Sonu's hands or his breath. So Sonu was feeling very cold. He kept blowing on his hands as his hands were cooler than his breath. You must have seen somewhere blowing on their spectacles to wipe them clean. Why do they do so? Because the air we blow from mouth is wet and helps in cleaning the glasses. Sixth question, why does a mirror become hazy on blowing air from mouth? It is because of the air from the mouth is wet and tiny water droplets in it makes the mirror hazy, and when you blow the air from your mouth. Next, collect the pictures of musical instruments in which wind is blown. So first one is Shennai, next is you can see saxophone, next you can see trumpet. These are the musical instruments in which wind is blown. So this chapter worksheet is very simple. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.